Hey, so, alright, listen, everybody. Have you guys seen, I made this video before of me washing my hands because everybody was commenting on my stuff saying I always have dirty hands, and you're not wrong. But it's because I work on cars, okay? Well, Grip Clean, these guys commented on my stuff and were like, yo, bro, we fuck with your energy. And I was like, nice. So they sent me some stuff. They sent me this little baby bottle, which is the same stuff as this. It's just a soap. Alright, and then they sent me these wipes, which is really fucking cool. Sorry if that was all backwards for you to read. But anyways, I've been using them. And guess what? Look how dirty my fingers are right now. Alright, give me 0.2 seconds. I was gonna just clean my hands and then show you guys, but then I was like, you know, that might come off wrong. So I'm just gonna show you guys me washing my hands. Alright, so look, my fingertips, look at my hands, they're dirty. But they're, I mean, I don't know, I think they're fucking stained, but apparently Grip Clean is supposed to work that problem away, alright? So I just want to show you guys how good they work. Let's hope this works. It's infused with dirt. It's good for your immune system, so that's fucking awesome. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. I'm almost done. Honestly, look, if these don't clean my hands, I'm right. And my hands are just stained, which they are. But this should help. I'm almost done. I'm washing them now. I'm rinsing them off. Getting all the soap off my hands. This water is warm. I'm just enjoying it at this point. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. That worked pretty good. That worked pretty fucking good. I have a dry rag over there, but I'm just not gonna use it. Look at them. Fingertips are dirty still, okay? I didn't wash under my fucking nails. Don't say it doesn't work, because it does. It's just, that's like goop, okay? It's like sap from a tree. It just stuck on there. Anyways, here's Grip Clean. This shit works. I'm going to make a theme song right now. This is Off Tops. Grip.